All right, let's talk about how you can add a drop-down list in Google Sheets. So here in our example, we just have some product names, the quantity, price, and the total cost for those products. Now in this column here, we want to add the source or the country where we're procuring these products. So we want to add a drop-down list in this column or in these cells here. So to add a drop-down list, you simply select the column or select the cells where you want the drop-down list to be. Go up to Data and select Data Validation. This little sidebar will pop up. Go ahead and select Add New Rule. And that's going to automatically assume we want a drop-down list. So you can choose from different options here, but we want the drop-down list. Now here is where we can add those different options. So let's say that we can source from the US, also Japan, and we want to add one more item, and that will be we can source from China. And while we're at it, let's also say we can source from Canada. So now our drop-down list will include these 4 options. Now we can also color code these where if we select a particular option, that's going to highlight the drop-down in a certain color. And we'll go ahead and hit done. And we can close out of this little sidebar, and we can notice that here we have all of these different options that we can select from our drop down now. Now when we try to type in something that's not here, like let's say Mexico, it's not going to allow us to input that because it's not part of our drop down list or our data validation. When you select the cells and hit the drop down, you can hit this little edit button in the bottom corner and you can update or add this, but you just need to make sure that the appropriate range is selected because right now just C3 is selected, so not this entire range. Now one last thing before you go. If you don't want to have to manually input all of these in when you're selecting data validation and you have to manually input these, what you can do is type these in on a separate column or sheet. If I type USA, Japan, China, Canada, and if I go to the criteria and select drop down from a range, I can then select this range here, hit OK, and then it's automatically going to populate those for me. I mean, now I'm going to have to redo the colors, but that's just a quicker way to create your drop down selection within Google Sheets. But there you have it. That's how you can add a drop-down list in Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you, and have such a great rest of your day.